Today's race day replay is brought to you by Comp Cams, the absolute leader in valve train technology.
Trip Carter. But they both know the racetrack is definitely there. Red light for Watson. Red lights don't mean anything. 123 short for both of them. Top end quarter mile, 765 to a 763. Holbrook breaks the record.
Winning doesn't just happen. You have to engineer it. You have to test it and make it better than it was the last time. Our engineers have the passion to create the parts you need, the way you need them to be, again and again and again. We've led this game for over 40 years, and we design, refine, and perfect every valve train part worthy of the winner's circle.